Welcome to my channel Watch and Learn. So viewers, in this video we will talk about ultrasound and infrasound. Animals such as bats and dogs can detect ultrasounds. Sounds below 20 Hz are called infrasound. This means that the sound waves which have frequencies below 20 Hz are called infrasound. Infrasound is used for monitoring earthquakes and studying rock formations. It can be detected by some animals such as whales, elephants. So what is ultrasound? The human ear is able to detect sounds in the range 20 to 20,000 Hz. Sounds above 20,000 Hz are called ultrasound. This means that sound waves with frequencies above the normal human range 20,000 Hz of hearing. So ultrasounds is used in hospitals for breaking down kidney stones and gallstones without the need for surgery. Doctors use ultrasound to examine a patient internally. Ships use ultrasound in echo sounders to measure the depth of water. I hope so you understood this simple concept about ultrasound and infrasound. For more informative and latest video, kindly subscribe my channel and stay connected with me. Goodbye.